So guys, finally Oxygen OS is here, the best custom ROM for every device. It's now ported to Redmi Y2. Now going to the about phone section of this device. Here as you can see, it's based on OnePlus 7 and it's running on Android 10. The kernel version is 4.9 Terminator and the security patch is June. Now going to system. Here the system update option is disabled and you get a dedicated option to enable or disable OTG. Going to security. Here you get the face unlock option and it works fine. The only bug on this ROM is that you cannot use PIN or password as your lock setting. Now going back, scrolling down to utilities, parallel apps and app locker are working fine and quick launch is not working. Now going to battery. Battery on this ROM is really good and the performance is on par. It's actually as good as OnePlus device. Now going back, all the basic functionalities like calling and mobile data are working fine. Even Wi-Fi and hotspot are also working. Now making a call. As you can see, the call just connected. Coming back, going to sounds and vibration. Here you need to flash an app called IndiaNet Sound Tile to manage the physical slider which is not present on Redmi Y2. So this app is bundled with the zip that I'll provide in the description. Speaking about bugs, cast, PIN and password are not working. Except these options, all the features are working. Some Oxygen OS exclusive features may be broken as they are not officially ported. If you want to install this build of Oxygen OS, make sure that you download a file that I have linked in the description. First, to install this ROM, go to wipe Dalvik cache, system and data. Do not wipe the vendor partition. Now go back. Now navigate to the file that you downloaded. Now once you are here, the file should look something like this, Oxygen OS 3.1. Now flash this file and install the ROM. Once the installation is completed, reboot. You will be rebooted into Oxygen OS. So if you enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.